Nasa College of Medicine kasi kami, nagkakilala.
Magkaklase kami, pero wala, hindi pa rin kami during our college days. Hindi pa rin kami. After graduation, nung kami sa graduation ball, since wala akong partner, siya yung barkada ko kasi yung mga brad niya eh. Pinair ako sa kanya. Yun. Doon nagsimula.
Then after that, outing, mga review classes. Pag nagkasundo na kayo at nagkakahulugan ng loob, that's it. You have to go ahead with the relationship.
Ano po ang sikreto ng 50 taong pagsasama? The secret of happy marriage is not finding the right person. It is becoming the right person.
Ikaw lang ang aking ibigin,
Sa marriage kasi yun, siyempre raising the children, then pagpapaaral sa mga anak, which all of them were successful. 3 were doctors, 1 nurse. Yun ang mga challenges sa buhay namin, pinagsikapan.
Maraming nagbago sa kanya. Kasi siya ay hindi ganyan ang personality niya before. Mahabang buhok, kulot ang buhok, mga ganun. Hippie parang siya. Pero nung unti-unti siyang nagbago yung personality niya.
Hello, Mama, Papa. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. Thank you for paving the way for us. There's no greater gift than the one you've given us, a family built on your unbreakable bond. Happy golden anniversary. Thank you for everything.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. We are so happy that we are all here and are able to celebrate this special occasion with you. Thank you for all your love, your support for the entire family. And we hope we will be able to spend many more years with you and many more anniversaries. I love you.
Happy golden wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa. 50 years is no mean feat, so we're very happy and proud of both of you. Congratulations, and we love you all very much.
Happy golden anniversary, Mama and Papa. We wish you more happy years together, and we all love you.
Sa loob ng 50 taon, Dr. Jenny at Dr. Telma, ay hindi lamang ninyo natutunang mahalin ang isa't isa, kundi natutuhan ninyong baguhin ang inyong sarili para sa isa't isa. At yan ang tunay na pag-ibig.
We cherish all our ambitions and our dreams, and I love you very much.
Johnny at Dr. Telma. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Salamat dahil ipinakita ninyo sa amin na ang pag-ibig ay hindi lamang pakiramdam. Ito ay isang desisyon. Ito ay isang paglilingkod. At ito ay isang pagtitiwala sa Diyos. At sa loob ng 50 taon, ginawa niyo po yan araw-araw. Mga kapatid, palakpakan ho natin si Dr. Johnny at Dr. Telma.